what's up you guys, it's Marissa from the Marble Planner and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting unboxing for you. I have this beautiful site in front of you from Estelle. This is a planner. I am so excited. Please excuse my nails, but let me just get it open so I can stop hiding my address. So here is what it looks like on the inside. You almost can't see, but I'm going to try to show it to you. It's very pretty. It's this pale pink, and at the top it says make time for what makes your soul shine. It's very pretty. There is this little card about how to care for it and a little like note about supporting them. And then over here on this side, we do have the planner on top and then some other things. So I'm going to grab this stuff out of here and kind of throw the box down. And then I will be right back with you. Come on, Grant. Hey. Up. Get up there. Good boy. So first off, I did get this snap-in ruler for my cloud, my A5 wide cloud. So this is for the bigger one. It goes up to 8 inches and 21 centimeters, and it does not say today, just so you know, and it snaps in, so you don't have to open your rings every time, if you can see that, kind of like the Erin Condren bookmarks. And then we'll go ahead and open my planner. So first off, it comes in this very beautiful pale pink bag. So not white like they were, it is a pale pink, super pretty. And so I got the B6 Estelle Cloud Planner in Shadow Boxer Black, I believe. I am so excited for this planner. So this is literally a cloud planner. So gorgeous. I just love the way that it feels. Like, it feels nice. But it's the Estelle Cloud. It is in the gold hardware, if you can see that. I had to triple check because in my light at first it kind of looked silver and I was like, but so it has card pockets here, so they're pretty deep, so you can see like my whole hand goes down in them. And then there's this cute little cloud pocket, and then there's a full pocket here and a full pocket here. These do look like decent sized rings. I think the receipt said 30, but I believe the owner of the business said 32, so unclear there. But then you have the 2 secretarial pockets back here. You do have your 2 TN strings, which is kind of her thing, rings and strings, and then you have 2 pin loops. Hopefully you can see me. Yes, you can. So there are 2 pin loops, if you can see that there. The rings, beautiful, gorgeous, and it came packaged really, really well and looks fine. So this is a B6 size. It is little. I am in love with it. It's so cute. Then they had this bundle deal going when the B6 Cloud released. So you got all of this as one bundle. So I did, you got to choose your ruler color and your insert color. And then I think they probably matched these to your coil because I got gold. So these are tab stickers. They say leather index stickers. Are they made of leather? Like, they might be. That's really cool. They feel very thick and interesting. And then I chose a white ruler, and it does say today at the top. So the pink one did not say that, but this one does. So again, this is a snap-in. This is for the B6. This goes to about 6.5, maybe 6.25 inches, and it does not have centimeters on it, just for reference there. And then I got this black dashboard, I think they're calling them, but it is the same material as the cloud. Oh, that's pretty. And it has this blossom pattern and then a little like tabby here. That's really, really pretty. I am excited for that. Surely my rose colored days things have the same hole punch. Yes, they do. Awesome. Okay. So that is, you got to pick the color of this, so I just picked it to match my planner. And then it came with 2 different sets of vellums. So this one has like a light pink, a darker pink, a purple, and a peach. And then this one is just black and white. So when I set this planner up, you will see those more in depth if you want to. Then it did come with these B6 inserts. So this is, it gave 2 half years, so enough for a year. They're just your normal B6 lay out, if I can find the word. I'll actually open one up because I'm going to put it in anyway, so no reason to not open it up. Oh, I don't know why I care that much about the packaging, but I was trying to keep it nice. It is glued for sure on there. Okay, I don't have any scissors in here for some reason. Okay, there we go. Finger to the rescue. So the inserts look like, there we go. Okay, so this is what the B6 insert looks like. So can you see that? Yes, you can see it good. So what you have here, it fits like a full box sticker. The width is good. Okay, then Saturday and Sunday are shorter, and there's of course no sidebar or anything. And I don't know about bottom washi, like I feel like you would want it very thin. But this is super, super cute. Let's see. It is the same size as the B6 from Rose Colored Days, so that is great. But those are those inserts. So with the bundle you did get a year, because typically it comes in a 26 month set, so you need 2 of them to make a full year. These are just dot grid inserts that it came with. So it came with 54 pages, 27 sheets of dot grid. And then this is lined, so 27 sheets of a lined paper. And then these are the monthlies with the connectors. So it has an undated monthly spread. And then the back of it is those weekly inserts, like what I showed you in here, so they connect and everything can be like within it. So that is super cool. So that is my Aura Estelle B6 Cloud unboxing. My little light here just fell. But yes, so I am super excited for this planner. It is the literal cutest thing I've ever seen. It is so freaking cute. I've never actually ordered from Aura Estelle. I've gotten all of my cloud planners off of like Facebook Marketplace, like buying them from groups and stuff. So really good experience with Aura Estelle. They do come from Canada, so it did take a minute, but like honestly it didn't take that long. So oh, that's really cute. But yeah, so that is everything. Here's the ruler. I'll just show you how that's gonna stick out like that. Very cute. And looks like that. So I'm just in love with how little it is, and it feels like nice. It feels really nice. So let's try the pen loop while we're here. Let's just grab, oh, here we go. I have a Sharpie Estelle. I love these pens. Yeah, these pen loops look big. So yep, it's a bit of a snug fit, but it's also the first pen that's probably ever been in there. And then if your planner was full, yeah. And it does have the double snaps. You can make it tighter or looser. And it still covers your snap depending on how full it is. So I'm absolutely in love with this. Let me show you a size comparison, because I do have an A5 wide cloud right here. So this is my first blush. Let me see if it's even in the frame. It's mostly in the frame. That's an A5 wide. And then here's the B6 from the bottom. And my dog just hit his head on my desk. That's the B6. Let me grab the camera and flip you around and I'll show you. Here is the A5 wide cloud. And then here is the B6 cloud. So it's, you know, about an inch taller and then slightly less wide too. So that is what that looks like. Super cute together though. I'm obsessed. And they're making a pocket, and I will be, you know, purchasing that because I'm crazy and everything. But yeah, this is in first blush, by the way, if you were interested. But that is everything for this Aura Estelle unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up button if you did. Make sure you are subscribed so you can see me set this baby up and do flip throughs and plan with me's with it. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, and I will catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.